What's going on? Working on the garage. Gotta move the bike. Gotta get some stuff out of the way. Filling that thing up. I found a good use for it because that weighs a few metric tons. So we're gonna get that. We've got the Pactor because tonight once it gets, what are you doing? You're gonna do some fancy tricks? Yeah. Once it gets dark enough, we're gonna put some headlights in this thing. But I wanted to get it like a pre. So I'm gonna flip this thing around and I'm gonna flip this thing around so that you can see what I'm doing in here. And I'm just gonna get to work.
Is it gonna be facing towards me or you?
Why don't you hand me stuff instead of staring at the camera?
I'm not. What are you talking about?
Just set that on the ground for now. This is a bunch of infrared stuff. Those are staples. Throw those on the workbench. This is a bunch of knobs. Look, I got a knob job. Those don't go anywhere.
Where do they go? Do you ever like buy stuff that like you are planning to use and then don't use?
Alright, put that in the recycling. This tray is a beast. Let's see if we can even get this in here.
Yeah. Joe, look, you're up.
No, the camera. Go, get clothes on. Seriously? goal with this is going to be to try to get that fit in there. And then I can put, aha, okay. Can you slide that bucket to me?
Didn't really slide, but. Where'd that go?
Trash. You go in, Penny,
Yeah.
and tell Julia she can come out, but she has to make sure she looks like she's wearing shorts. Just because she has a long skirt, that doesn't count. So if you have a bunch of wire like that, you know, carrying around something like that's a pain in the butt in the back. So this is definitely going to help. You want to look. So that has a bunch of stuff that is not PACKOUT related, or sorry, not electrical related. I've got a bunch of wheels in there. I'll sort that later. But I've been dragging that around. So now I have an excuse to get another one of those, because that was going to be for his X-Max. Don't tell him. Do you know that dog is out there in the street? Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's go ahead and get that lid closed and put those somewhere else and get rid of that bin.
Dad, look.
Okay, Lincoln, I can't right now. Might as well put this in here. Oh no, what am I hitting? This guy. Looks like this cutout. Oh, that is like perfect for that. Okay. Put that in the recycling, please. I am from where I live right now is Florida, Southwest. Jacob is the name, JakeOfALL. Should we move the motorcycle? Should we start it or should we just move it? Should we start it or should we just move it?
We should.
Should we start it?
We should start.
We should start it. Okay. Okay, that's enough playing. So now we need to get a lot of this mess in here organized so we can actually do stuff. It's funny, this is the wife and kids for you right here. The inflator has a place to put the cord. Is it put away? No. Okay, Penny, come here. Put your drink down, not on the table. Not.
Here?
Crash. Laser beams. Cleaning up the PACKOUT stuff. So this whole wall is what we're going to be working on, but that area is the mess. I'm trying to honestly find a good spot for you where you can see the most work getting done. Go! Lincoln! Daisy, put the dogs inside now. Pick them up. Pick them up. Duke, inside. This is the kids that don't listen work. I tell them not to put the dogs outside. They don't listen. So yeah, this is what's getting installed. Lots of E-track. That's a bunch of 5-foot pieces. And this, that's vertical. This is 8-foot. Can you open the door? This is the 8-foot horizontal. And this stuff is the cat's meow. This is what's going on the concrete block. Be right back. These. I want you to make them as small as possible, twist them, tie them, and go put them in your closet. The stakes can go, there's more stakes than this in the grass, I'll tell you that now. So for now, go ahead and go put these all next to your closet, and then you guys can come out later and look for stakes. I'm back. Giving the kids stuff to do. Okay. Yeah. Woo. So this entire wall will get cleaned down, cleaned out. Found a part. You guys nothing about this. Really? Penny did them both? Go help Penny do what she's doing. After you put your bike away, then go help her. She's on the front porch. You guys want to see the PACKOUT 3 bucket setup I'm working on? So it's on a cart. This is rinse. Rinse. Wash. Put your chemicals in here if you want. Oh, that's supposed to lay down, that's right. And this one's for rims. They lock in. Plus, because you want to use these as buckets, you pull these pins, lids pop off, and you can use it as a bucket. They have grates in them so that your washing utensils, whatever you want to call it, don't get grit. And slides out of the way. Now for now, I am just getting the garage ready because I got that's got to get installed on the one wall. And well, I have room to do it. I have to have room for the table saw. I have to have room for everything. So for now, everything's in the way. So what I'm doing tonight, besides the video on installing some headlights on the truck, is I'm trying to just get the area cleaned up. Latches, all that good fun stuff.
Where's Lincoln?
I think he was on the front porch supposed to be helping you.
I mean, I told him that I didn't need his help because I did all of it. Call him and his friends.
I gotta empty that whole area. That's gonna be fun. Here, pen, come here. These go on my desk.
All of them?
Yeah, I've got to mount. All of these jacks. I didn't get the PACKOUT tray. I have an insider that is feeding me information, and I ask him for questions, or I ask questions, and he delivers. I'm gonna try to get one, but right now I'm just getting, secret information. Penny, are you over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Underneath that bench in there, where we put our shoes, I need this stacked out of the way somewhere. Deep into the back, out of the way, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I did post. I'm the source. I'm the person posting about it. I have a connection, and he got it through a method that I can't talk about, and he's sending me stuff as I request. Okay, do me a favor. I need. Actually, those can stay. So we're gonna mount that there. Can you just pass that around? Yeah, I've got to move the bandsaw and all that off that wall. And that's what's really holding me up there. Yeah, lots of fun times. What else should I do? The ammo thing can go under there. Oh my God. So much PACKOUT stuff. Wall brackets. Stealth mount feet. You can attach this to anything, make it PACKOUT capable then. This is the first version of the PACKOUT, the M18 to crate conversion plate. Actually, this is technically the first version. We made it out of 2 pieces because we couldn't get the thickness that we needed. And then we got this one. So yeah, there's that, keeping us crazy busy. You doing okay over there?
No, I mean yes.
I got crazy kids. I'm trying to show. Okay, why don't you do me this, Penny?
Yep.
Take the front porch. I want you to take this area. First of all, that bucket is supposed to be on there. Pick that paint bucket up. Paint bucket.
Oh, I didn't know you wanted it on there.
Okay, clean up the shoes. See this area here? I'm going to ask you to put stuff here, okay? I've got obviously too much stuff. It's part of the reason why I need to do this second round of organization. Is because I have so much stuff and nowhere to put it. So I basically go horizontal and vertical. Yeah. PACKOUT king. I don't know. Maybe it's a PACKOUT curse. All that's gonna have to come down. I'm gonna have to wheel this guy all the way around over there. Easier said than done, right?
Me is back.
What?
I'm back.
Back. Okay. Yep, actually grab that. Grab this stuff right here. Put on that bench.
You want it on the bench?
On the bench. Push it on the bench as close to the helmet as possible. Been using the bandsaw as a holder for this battery. Do you think you can pick that up and put it? Lean it in that hole in the ground. You know where.
No.
Okay, move then. How about the bucket? Can you grab the bucket?
Which one?
The
This
blue
one?
one. Yeah, right there. Can you put it right in front of the board? If I say throw stuff in the bucket, then throw stuff in the bucket.
Okay.
Here. Bucket. Bucket. bucket, bucket. Bucket, 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 bucket. I'll put more out here.
Oh, that is heavy.
So yeah, a couple of the chargers have already fallen. I got some brackets that can hold these things. These things are pretty sweet. So these are for landscape trailers, and these attach. Thank you so much. California, what's going on? What's it? Like 3 o'clock? So you can see this attaches to the E-track, and then boom. You gotta lift it up and pull it out. But yeah. Oh, I don't even know where to put some of this stuff.
You have so much stuff.
See the little spot in the corner in there?
Yeah.
Can you put this on top of that black thing back in there? I'm gonna hand you some more.
This?
Yes, back. Chainsaw. Everyone's got to have a chainsaw. Same thing. Brackets for the chainsaw. Stay there while I hand you more. Okay, get out of there then.
No, I can do it. I'm just leaning into something. How do you got a chainsaw?
This too. Stand it there. Oh, hold on, let me take the battery off. And this thing too. Let's charge this. We'll have some good charged batteries for them tomorrow or whenever I get to work on it next. But yeah, I have a whole bucket of these E-track accessories. Are you done in there? Okay.
Dad, why do you have a chainsaw and a stick?
Because I have palm trees. Palm trees need chainsaws on a stick. This thing's almost ready to come out of here. Let's get this thing moved. Okay, do me a favor, Kenny. Go put this in the bucket, okay? And then this on the bench, and then I'm gonna put more stuff over here that goes on the bench, okay? These white things, don't drop them, they're for customers. Bugs, love them. Okay, can you move it yet?
And the rest of this stuff goes on the bench, right?
Yes. These, put them down first,
Okay.
and then carry this like this.
Uh-huh.
The wheels on this thing go round and round. Ha ha. Look, I have redundant stuff. Alligator clips for the charger. So yeah, don't drop those, please.
Okay.
But yeah, I gotta move that over to there. Do I have a broom? I do. I need to get the plywood in tonight, in case, I don't know, it's Florida, who knows, when it'll rain. Not necessarily the time of year, but it always could. My main goal is to get the saw out of the way, whether the saw goes over there, get the plywood in, and I used plywood, yes, not MDF, so that goes on the bench.
Okay.
See, kids are good helpers. Can you put that in there too?
In the bucket or on the bench?
I don't know here. And this gets wheeled. Let's see if we can get it around the motorcycle. I got it. Here, you just take it. Don't worry about the camera. Sorry, people. Put that right in front of the bucket. Okay. More space. Because this whole area right here, this whole area is getting up and down. I'm using, what do you call that? Gosh, my brain is mush. Vertical? Horizontal? Yes, horizontal. I'm using this horizontal space. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to line this 8 feet. No, not this 8 feet. I'm going to go horizontal. Gosh darn it. I'm going vertical. Or I'll stop here for stuff like the hard hats and the jacks. And then I'm going to go horizontal and mount some more stuff. I'm going to use some of this leftover basically in here under it so I can get some more space, maximize space to the gym. Can you put that in the bucket? So that space is slightly cleaned up. This is the big space that needs done. See if we can move it over here. I've got to get all of that off the wall. So from that corner to where the drywall stops, it's actually already double layer, so I had to get even longer wood screws. I got to unmount all of those charger setups. Anything on there, I got to pull off, including the cheesiest way to run wire possible. So I'll fix that. I mean, they couldn't even run it like straight. They just, hey, here's some extra. So, yeah, wish me luck on that one. But what's next? It's already better in here. Need to find a place for this compressor. I've got some empty packouts. I think I need to organize some tools over there and see if I can drag this bandsaw around, I guess. You guys want to keep watching? Or should I end this? I also have to install some headlights in the Raptor. Oh, I don't really need a hat now, do I? I'm hot and sweaty. Yeah, I ain't gonna need brackets for just my hat rack. I thought for sure. Yeah, supercharger. Let's see if we can get that stuff. You're a crazy kid.
I'm back.
She's back there, buddy. Don't worry. Penny is back. Welding cart. Broken Milwaukee M12 torque wrench. That was fun. I'll actually post about it when I get it around to it. But for now, I can just tell you that it's not all it's cracked up to be. You can knock any of that dust onto the floor. We just need to put it all in a pile, okay? forgot that the welder is there. So the bandsaw, I really don't know where I'm gonna put it. I should probably just put the bandsaw there in front of that door because I don't use that door. So realistically, I'm going to have to move it around a million times tomorrow. I may have made the problem worse when I was in Ohio and bought some more packouts. I can neither confirm nor deny. Okay. Let's push this thing over there now. Watch out. Can you see how well this moves? So this has one of those jets or whatever. I don't know what brand it is, honestly. But it's one of those mobile bases. And this is what's happening to the wheels. They're just disintegrating when you roll it. Now, I've had it for 7 years. And then my uncle, who gave it to me, left it to me. There's another wheel going.
Oh, dang. Oh, it's scratched.
It's just marks. I actually have to
What is that?
This is a bandsaw.
What is it?
Oh, this is literally the story of my life. So the lathe needs to be permanently installed, but I'm paranoid to do it until I've organized everything, and the lathe is still on 4 Harbor Freight carts. Look, more wheels.
Ooh.
Will you put that in your trash
That's
pile?
not
Do we know where a
good.
dustpan is?
I don't have a dustpan,
It's probably over there. So the lathe has 2x4 sticking out because I want to keep it mobile because it took forever to get it on those. Yeah, here, give me those little rubber pieces. Why the battle? Let me show you. It has a mobile base and all of the feet are extended. So it's just on the rollers, or the feet are lifted up, the leveling feet, but the wheels are doing this. They are disintegrating. friggin' fun. And tomorrow, or whenever I actually do the wall, we're gonna film with this guy. This does pretty well. It's 4K. iPhone can do 4K, but it has a better mic. It's high speed, more frames, all that good fun stuff. We are gonna set that up. Can you actually go put that back inside on the wall by that chair? Okay. But the kid that's helping me right now ripped that vacuum cleaner off the wall. I did just have it in some of those anchors. But this is mobile now. Whee! This is my main rig. Looks like I need to sweep because I can't, because every time I go to move, stuff is getting caught on every wheel. But could you do me a favor? And can you sweep
Everything handy?
this whole area?
I'll try.
So we gotta get all this removed. Hey, you know there's all these TikTok hacks on mounting chargers. I'm gonna show you a quicker hack. First of all, sometimes RTFM, read the freaking manual right there on it. It has a spacing. You literally draw a level line, unless you don't want your tool level. So plumb or level, plumb, level, and then put spacing that says that, 4 inches. All you have to do is that, and this charger will be mounted level, and the screws will be in the perfect position. Now, I have this mounted on drywall, and I knew I was going to change this, but I've already, I know you use short screws on this, but I've already had these things rip out. So that's one of the reasons why all of the walls that aren't block are getting lined in plywood.
How is it so dirty?
Who on here likes dangerous power tools? Dangerous power tools people, give me a like. It's a mini chainsaw.
It's so tiny.
It's the Bosch Nano Blade. This is what I use to trim my hair. No,
Do you
I don't
use
use
that?
it. No.
That's,
Oh, looks like I need to oil this. Let's do a little Teflon non-stick, shall we? Mini chainsaw. It's the only other battery platform I have.
oh my. Okay, I don't know how to do this.
I have nowhere else to put this stuff.
I have 3 finger
Levels.
rolls.
This piece of trim has been the bane of my existence since buying it. I have not gotten the project that calls for this piece of trim.
What are you doing?
So I literally move it once a month to another spot. And every time I do a project, DeWalt? You mean DeWalt? No, that's the wrong color. Oh, I need batteries. My batteries are dead. Should I put the garage door opener wire in the wall? Should I delay myself? Hey, you want to know another trick? Watch this. If you have a problem with these chargers constantly coming off the wall, not that the screws pull out, I don't mean that. Do you guys like that? Okay, these freaking hands. Put your put your brick on, and then on the top side where it would lift off, install a screw. That screw will keep it from lifting off. Need a cup to put all these. Okay, I think you've swept it well enough. Here, we're going to use this guy to collect everything. Why don't you find something so you put all the stuff and trash in.
Okay. It's going to take a while because I don't know what any...
Okay, well do this. Find a piece of cardboard, right?
The trash?
From the trash. And then you can grab this bucket and you can pull the bucket over there and you can sweep it into there that way. These are these rotating...
Do you have a flashlight?
I don't.
Oh, then.
These are the rotating tool holders from STEALTHMOUNTS. Oh, maybe you said do it, not DeWalt, right? Mount the thing. Should I mount it or not? Should I hide the wire in the wall or not? Looks like the mud bugs have already gotten into the garage. Wasp nest, whatever.
Sweep it onto the cardboard?
Try to figure it out. I can't tell. Sweep it onto the cardboard and then try to lift it up. You guys like my drill holder? It's for the installation driver. Later Boy Scout on Instagram, he did that. He also did this chalk holder, which I have two of these. I have two different companies, but these things are pretty awesome. Oh, this is charging. All right, let's get the hats out of there.
The vacuum for the rest of it?
Yeah, so go around and get the one off the patio and bring it over here and I'll show you and we'll put it back together. This is my Craig jig. This is like the first pack out item that I made, non-packoutable to be able to hook to a pack out. And it's basically some of the 3D printed feet we sell onto a board. I even have little holders for the bits. So as I change bits, I can put everything right here. Screws up top. But yeah, I'm honestly debating if I want to snake this garage door opener wire in the wall or not. Because I could cheat and just put the garage door opener right here and run it down nice and straight and vertical and not have a mess. That would be my, if I decided to cheap out plan. Alright, so for now, I thing off the wall. So this is my stealth mount battery setup. So this uses stealth mount battery brackets. It uses stealth mount feet. And there is my custom. This is the guy that used to do the bracket. He actually stopped. But there's a bunch more people that I have in my YouTube descriptions. If you guys ever have questions where I get most of the stuff, check out www.jakeofall.com. Okay? And there I have a resource page that is just about everyone I work with, everyone I support, everyone I get the products. No, I'm not moving my shop, John. I am making this sexiness wrap around to right there where the concrete block starts. I have a bed, the bed of my truck full of plywood right now. And I need to move it inside. So tonight, the goal is to get this wall cleared and all the loose crap, all of the loose stuff that I had. Put it right over here, right over my foot. Packout vac. Packout vac.
I don't throw out the filter thing. I don't know. I think it's filter thing. I don't know. Is there a battery?
I'm gonna be in there loud for a minute. So yeah, I am just basically equipping this wall here with give or take 2 sheets of plywood. I will paint it black, and then I will mount on this wall horizontal E-track. So plywood, then E-track. Then I have 4 Milwaukee shelf kits. The PACKOUT wall shelf kits. Which is what that worked really well.
Okay.
Didn't even know I had that. More stuff.
What is it?
More glasses. Just what I need.
What do I need? What do I do with this? I'm gonna put on some glasses.
PACKOUT bag. So, we're almost there.
That's no, you got it.
Oh, you got the Milwaukee ones?
Yeah, yeah. White.
Let's get these staples off the wall.
Well, you can take them off.
What do you mean?
I didn't know you could take them off.
Hey, look. The battery is charged.
How fast? Oh.
So this is the supercharger. You can see all the stealth mount battery brackets, stealth mount feet. They designed this, and when I did a big order, they sent me this plywood setup, which I final assembled. And I basically have that little setup that I can clip to my PACKOUT. In fact, what I typically do is clip it to one of my Joeys. Sorry, I was checking on something. I clip it to one of my Joeys, and then I'm ready to go. So we need, do me a favor. See those pliers on the floor? When I get up on this, will you hand them to me?
Yeah.
Good kid. There should be a broom in the house. Or is it in the printer room?
I don't know. Probably look around. I don't think we have any in the house.
Nice glasses.
Huh? Yeah. Nice.
I'm almost done. I have to get the plywood and move it in.
What is this, Dad?
I'm gonna leave it there. What is what?
This.
That is one of the brackets for our phone.
It looks like that guy that jumps on the eye in Pixar.
Oh, the light.
Yeah, the light.
So I'm gonna have to move these outlets even more. That'll be fun. But we'll get it done. So that's about it. I've got to move the plywood. I'm not going to mount any of it tonight because I got to cut holes. And I still have to mount these headlights. So I'm going to head out of here. Thank you everyone for stopping in and seeing the fun. Walking Dead bike. Daryl Dixon. It's not leaking at the moment. That's good. But Raptor's gonna get some headlights. Kid's gonna help.
Wait, is that
Yeah, I gotta figure out a way to make this better over here because I honestly think the bandsaw would be better there. But I'm gonna get that done first and all the pack outs up off the floor, and then I can think, because once I take the objects that don't move and don't have flexibility, and the pack outs technically have flexibility, but I'm going to put them on drywall, studs on drywall. Then once I do that, I then sort of look at what I'm left with and move based on that. This area and that area. Fun times. So thanks everyone. I'm going to head out of here. Have a good night.
Boy.
Bye.